Fix print system problem and problem with ink system error messages on HP OfficeJet printers. If your HP OfficeJet printer stops printing and an error message displays on either your computer or the printer control panel, follow these steps to fix the issue. The error message states either print system problem, problem with ink system, or problem with printer system. Step 1. Check the ink cartridges for leaks. If any of the ink cartridges in your printer are leaking, they can cause printer malfunctions and need to be replaced. Open the door to access the ink cartridges. Wait until the carriage is idle and silent. Remove an ink cartridge and inspect it for leaking ink. If the ink cartridge is leaking, then it needs to be replaced. Your cartridges might be covered under warranty. To check the warranty on your cartridges, go to learn-about-supplies.ext.hp.com. Scroll down to the warranty section and select Learn More under Ink. From here, you can find warranty information for your specific cartridges. If the cartridges are not under warranty, you can purchase new ink from the HP store or from a local retailer. It is recommended that you only use genuine HP ink cartridges in HP printers. HP cannot guarantee the quality or safety of non-HP brand cartridges. If the cartridge is not leaking, it can be reinstalled. Press or push the ink cartridge back into its slot. Most cartridges click into place. Repeat these steps to check the other 3 ink cartridges. Close the cartridge access door. Step 2. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer can recover it from errors or failures. Press the power button to turn off the printer. If the printer does not turn off, disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Connect the power cord back to the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Plug the other end back into the printer. Turn the printer on to complete the reset. Step 3. Reseat the print head if it has a latch. If your printer model has a removable print head with a latch, you can reseat the print head to fix printer errors. Open the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Wait until the carriage is idle and silent. Look for a latch on the carriage. If you do not see one, this step does not apply to your printer model. While the printer is turned on, disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Lift the carriage latch and slightly lift the print head. Lower the print head back into the carriage, wiggle it to the left and right, and then lower the carriage latch until it stops. Close the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and power it on. If the error message still displays, repeat the steps to reseat the print head up to 3 times. If none of the steps in this video have helped resolve the printer error, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact to replace the print head or service the printer.